Here's a remake video on this Better Homes and Gardens no, Better Homes and Gardens 12-inch oscillating table fan in metal. This is a metal finish. Better Homes and Gardens is exclusively found at Walmart. I don't think it's ever in any other stores besides Walmart. It basically I'm assuming Mainstays wanted to quit, so they continued with this brand, which is Better Homes and Gardens. So it's a 12-inch fan, as you can see. One thing there's also another fan that I need to order from Walmart. It's the same as this, but it's an 8-inch one. It's $28. But a little sad story is that the 16-inch pedestal fan version of this, apparently they still do have it, I guess, at Walmart, but it doesn't have a pedestal base. It has a tripod. And I made a video on that when I was at Walmart, and it costs, I think, $149. As well as I can't speak, but I also need the Mainstays 9-inch high velocity fan. Mainstays actually still exists at Walmart. So this is the 12-inch one. They used to have one with so let's start off with the grills. They are, I guess, brass and powder coated. From far away, they just look like black. They used to have an older model, but those were silver. We got the brass plated badge. It's not reflective or anything. It's pretty matte. They used to have the brand on it, and it was also silver. The blades, which are black, and I think they're aluminum. They're not steel. I was gonna say steel. This has screws, and then there's bolts at the back. I think you could just take a screwdriver, and then you have to loosen those bolts with a wrench. But those, you might need a small size wrench. Here's the back. This thing is heavy. Here's the back. The motor is like big, as you can see. We have the oscillator knob, which is plastic, and it's it's not metal. I'm assuming that's how the older one was. It also has the swing function, and then this thing, just like what's on the Utilitech, it has this really nice looking cloth cord. It's not like another. It's like not like a rubber cord like this one. And it does tilt, but I'm not gonna demonstrate that. So it does work. So this thing is literally, my camera is just framing out. So here's high speed. It works just fine. It's actually putting in a decent breeze, as you can tell from the camera. Oscillation. Here's medium. This switch is really easy to turn. And here's low. There it is on low speed. It's very quiet, because considering it's metal. I mentioned in the first video of this is that the blade is bent, and you can see it's shaking. It's shaking really bad. There's back to high speed. And there's off. So, thanks for watching. Peace.